Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a post and earn points on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Binance app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on More Options, and from here, navigate to the Square tab. This is where the Binance trading community shares discussions, insights, and strategies. Now, on the Square page, tap the plus button to create your own post. This is where you'll write about your recent trading activities, market insights, or strategies. Think of this as your chance to demonstrate your understanding of the market. As you write, make sure to include the Traders League hashtag. This step is very important because it categorizes your post under the official Traders League discussions and ensures it reaches the right audience. Next, enhance your post visually by adding a screenshot or image. Once everything looks good, tap the Publish button to publish it. Your post is now live on Binance Square and visible to the trading community. From here, your engagement begins. As other users like, share, and comment on your post, your points start accumulating. And that's it. So that is how you can create a post and earn points on Binance. So that's all for this video. Thanks.